8 hours, obviously. And the new ladder is coming right now. Everything's going right now. So you can get a picture of it coming in. You guys been here before?
Once.
Once? Nice.
Because I do YouTube and stuff. I do YouTube.
Oh yeah?
And last time I went, they said, someone told me to like do their new ladder tender.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, you come through, do whatever you want. Look at it however you want.
Stop the video. Stop the video. I'll take a picture. Hi. Hi.
You want me to open it?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
What truck are you on today?
I'm on the engine today. Normally I'm on this truck. So, but today I'm on the engine because we had some guys that are on vacation and stuff like that. So all of our big ladders right here, pipe poles, everything. And we got some, this pulls all the way out. We call this a coffin. So we have our struts for like the car, stabilizing the cars, things like that. We have our smaller ones up there. Then we got cribbing. We got a bunch of different stuff that we'll use for like extricating people out of the car and stabilizing. These are air packs. So on our old trucks, we were able to throw our packs inside the truck. On this one, we got to get out. They're calling it a clean cab, and I guess it's semi-clean cab because we still have some of our turnouts and everything right in there. But anyways, come out, throw your packs, cones, obviously, kind of just more of a storage space right here. These are our tools, so it's kind of cool. Kind of pops out like this, like a book. So we got more tools. You need to pop this out as well. So
that's cool.
Yeah. No, it's a space saver for sure. On our other truck, we had to kind of just pile it in there. So it's nice having this there.
So why did you get this one? Because the other one was broken down or something?
The other one, it was an older truck. So we use them so much. They break down pretty quickly, man, because they're running all day long. They're a pretty busy station, so we're always moving. Also normal stuff, extension cords, the engineer's compartment right there. We got generators for our extrication equipment. On this truck, it's going to be on the front. On our last truck, it was more on the side right there, but we still have a portable generator just in case. Inside's a lot nicer than the old one. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
This one has cameras all over it. Obviously got a camera right here. We have cameras in the back, so there's cameras all over it. So anything that we're doing, we're making a left turn, reversing, whatever, we can see around the truck all the time. So console's a little bit nicer than the other one. Extrication equipment's gonna be up here.
Go back into the picture. Like, go back a little.
So these pull out, so these are already pre-hooked. So if we get pull up to an accident or whatever, we need to cut somebody out, we'll just pick them up and we can walk out with them. So it's pretty nice, pretty convenient. If it ends up being too far, like in the middle of the field or something like that, we'll use the portable. But these hoses are 100 feet, so it should get us pretty close to where we need to be. But a lot more convenient, so saves a lot of space. Hey, what's up, sir? How you doing?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
You might ask a question?
What's going on?
Do you have a ventral I can use? Are you
Oh, this would be the man. He's a paramedic, sir.
Hi, how are you, Eduardo?
Good. How you doing? What's up?
Good. Do you have a ventral I can use? My son he's got an allergic reaction. So
Where the captain sits, so a lot more room for him, and then the other truck is really compact, so a little bit more room for him up there. You've already seen that side, back. Where our saws are going to be at, so this kind of pulls all the way down. So, quick, easy access, man. Everything's pretty convenient. Fans for venting, or for positive pressure ventilation and stuff like that. There we go. This is going to be kind of an extra compartment as well, so some of the people on this side, the captain and the other firefighter, they get out and their packs are on this side. So pull this out, throw the packs on. Got a couple tools here and there. This is our EMS compartment, so everything with EMS we're going to have in here. Boxes, drug box, Lucas device. We got our Fido bag. Everything medically should be in this compartment right here if we need to find anything. So this truck's a lot more convenient than the last one, a lot more. So everything's kind of where it needs to be. That's it, brother. Up on top of just storage spaces, we'll have like shovels, different things up there. So but this will come back. Climb up there and go on, get a video over the top.
You can keep this.
Yeah.
Thank you.